I'm Natasha Denona and welcome to another education video. I know that so many of you always asking me about hooded eyes. So there is a video now about the hooded eyes, how to create the perfect smoky eye for them. I was waiting for so long to teach you how to do this. Continue watching, it's gonna be fun and interesting. This is it, that's the final look, and I hope that this technique will help you a lot. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. All my makeup details are mentioned down below, and yeah, thank you and see you next time. Bye.